Have you ever wondered what foods there are at the grocery store that you can just plant and then harvest? Well, today I'm going to go over 3 that I have been growing that you just buy from the grocery store and you can plant directly from the grocery store. Today we're talking about 3 different vegetables you can grow from things you buy directly at the grocery store. The first one is one of my favorites to grow. Let me show you here. And that is garlic. So I like to buy garlic, just organic garlic from Trader Joe's, and I'll pull apart the cloves and then I'll plant the cloves directly into the ground. They're very easy to grow because because the ground squirrels don't seem to like it. A lot of bugs and critters do not like the smell of garlic, so they'll leave it alone. So I really like to grow garlic for that reason. The other reason is it's really, really easy to grow because you just put the clove in, you cover it up. If there's irrigation set up, just have it running twice a week. And then in 9 months, it does take a long time, you'll have it. So I like to plant these in the fall, and then I usually have them ready for me in the summer. Here's, this year I'm planting it all over, just because it's so easy to grow. And let me show you some of the other areas. So I have this garden bed right here. And Jiggy. Okay, and I have this one over here as well. A lot of leaves that have fallen on this one, but yeah, this whole bed is mostly garlic as well, with a couple peas. And you can see the peas, something's been eating these sprouts, but the garlic has been left alone. Let me show you the other area. We have this pumpkin too, look. Something's been eating that. I need to take that one out. That's from the other bed. It's kind of just sprawling out. But yeah, the garlic, nothing's been eating it. Let me show you the other bed we have with the garlic. All right, here's the other bed. We have some other things growing here. This is actually a peanut plant. You can see one of the little peanuts right there. But these are the garlic. We got some cosmos growing here too. But lots and lots of garlic growing in this bed as well. The second food you can just buy at the grocery store and just plant it in the ground and it'll grow is right here. The lighting's not the best, but these are potatoes. So if you, again, I only get the organic kind for my produce. So, and I think it grows, it'll just grow better that way. But if you get an organic potato and just put it deeply in the ground, same thing, you're watering it twice a week with irrigation, it's going to grow and you're going to get lots and lots of potatoes. So that one is actually one of the easiest things I grow. You just put it in the ground, and I live in zone 9B. I like to do it in the fall and in the spring, but I feel like you could kind of just do it at any time with potatoes because they're just so easy. But yeah, lots and lots of potatoes will come from these plants. Once the green leaves turn yellow or brown and kind of fall over, that's when you know it's time to pick your potatoes. All right, number 3 for foods you can just buy at the grocery store and plant. It's right here. And this is ginger. So ginger, this one's new to me. I haven't done the full year. But what I did is I took, just some ginger. It looked something like this. I got it from Trader Joe's and then our local Asian market. This I would probably cut it right here, and you just plant it sideways and very, very shallow, cover it very shallowly. And, watering it twice a week with irrigation, and it's starting to sprout. So this, from what I've researched, it takes 8 to 10 months to get fully mature, but you can also eat the baby ginger, and that takes about 4 to 5 months. And then once it's rhizosomal, so once you have the ginger in the ground, you can always just keep replanting it for more ginger it brings. So that's pretty cool. I'll do an update once this is all ready. It is November right now, so it's going to be a while, but they're growing pretty quickly. So the next time you are at the grocery store, just remember, if you can buy potatoes, garlic, and ginger, and all these foods you can just plant right in the ground and get more harvest. And once you have them, you can just keep planting those same foods as the seed, and you will never have to buy them again. If you don't know me, my name's Jessica. I do a lot of gardening content. I have a small yard, about 1/4 acre total, in the suburbs of Southern California, and we are always adding on more and more fruits and vegetables and just produce that we're growing in hopes to replace the grocery store. So we have a whole lot of food we're growing. We're always adding on. So come follow my journey. If you have any questions or if there's any content you want to see, please let me know. Please comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next time.